Can you all see my screen?
Yes, Pak.
Okay. All right.
Yes, Pak.
So, okay. I want to elaborate a little bit more into what Professor Singh discussed with us before regarding this chart. It is very interesting point of view that he did. So in the financial data analytics, so Professor Singh separate the analytics maturity. So the question towards the business is, what is your financial data analytics maturity? This question can be asked to any company. So what is your maturity in your data analytics, in your financial data analytics? So the maturity, Professor Singh segregate it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 maturity level. The first level, there are companies that has standard report only. So they to identify what is happening, yeah, to identify what is happening in the market, in the business. So they only use the standard report. Okay, so yeah, the sales report, yeah. So there is only standard report, and then next level is the ad hoc report. Uh, when there is something happen, there is ad hoc report requested. Okay, sales down, yeah, or the standard report saying that the sales down. Okay, please give me ad hoc report. Uh, how how many area that having the sales down? How many officer that working there? So there will be ad hoc reports that required by the high level management. Or in the hospital, um, sales going down. Okay, how many function that having sales going down? How many doctors that is how many doctors is there? What is the capacity of the doctors there? What is the maximum capacity of the doctors? And then where exactly is the problem? That is question number 3. That is maturity number 3. Yeah? So therefore we need to conduct query on the what is that? What is the writing there? Query reports kah? Query others. What does it say? Query diligent. Okay, I don't know. So what is exactly the problem? Then you need to conduct query. How do you conduct the query? Yeah, you can use the SAS. You can use SQL. Yeah. That's why even high level management, yeah, if no one can use SQL, no one can use SAS, they need to do it themselves because the lower level cannot do that. So to identify what exactly is the problem. Okay, so which area is that? Okay, so the function of uh, S, uh, SPOG kebidanan is having lower sales. Okay, which doctor that is having lower sales? And then what time is the highest traffic of the patients. So we need to conduct query to find exactly where is the problem. And then the next level is to have the alert of the action needed to do. So if there is, okay, today the patient coming to the hospital is less than the average, there is an alert in your system. Okay, the alert is coming. And then usually that is happen after you create a dashboard. You create a business intelligence dashboard. So if the patient is lower than the average, monthly average, then there will be alert in your Excel business intelligence dashboard or Tableau business intelligence dashboard. So there should be alert there reminding you. So to tell you what you should do next. What is the action? Okay, if the sales goes down, and then you need to contact the marketing and telling them what to do because our sales is going down. There is some problem with the marketing, whether it is the campaign that is the problem, whether there is a campaign, there is a promotion. So what you get to identify the area of problem, yeah, area for improvement. So you need to find out what is the area for improvement. So there is an alert. Maturity level 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the statistical analysis. Why is this happening? There is a statistical analysis. Okay, so we have sales down. Yeah. So what variable that determine the sales? What are the determinants for the sales? Yeah. So we have there the 8 P's. Yeah. For the product, price, promotion, place, people, physical evidence, partnership, process. Which area that determine the most for the sales? Okay, so promotion determine the sales the most. So that we use statistical analysis. We can use SAS for the regression. I showed you before. We can use SPSS. We can use Python, R. So that is where the SAS function again for the query and for the statistical analysis. Okay, we identify that promotion is the utmost determinant for the sales. What is the next level? Then the forecasting. Do your company has the ability to forecast? So when we conduct the statistical analysis, there is a model. The model will say like y is equal to constanta plus coefficient times the what kind of promotion is there, the campaign plus coefficient times the advertisement, etc. So you conduct forecasting using modeling. You conduct forecasting using the model. There is level number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what is the next level? There will be predictive modeling. To predict what is the consumer behavior. You predict the consumer behavior. Okay, so when the patient come to the hospital, after he take the dental care, what he will be up next? Okay, so the predictive modeling using the market basket analysis saying that after people having the dental care, they go to the, let's say, the skin care. And after the skin care, they go to the hair care, whatever. So there will be, there will be another level of this of the maturity to conduct the predictive model. Okay, that is the product sequential transaction, something like that. What is the most transaction that will be happen in the hospital or in the bank in Ashwin? What is the likelihood of the people to buy credit card? So whether he will be default on his loans. So that is predictive modeling. Whether the loan will be default, whether he will be approved. So that is predictive modeling. Yeah. We can use logistic regression. We can use neural networks. That can be done as well by using SAS or using SPSS. Yeah. Python, R. And then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The highest one is the prescriptive model. Prescriptive. What is the best that can happen? What is the best that can happen? Yeah, for prescriptive is for the optimization. So if the problem happen, yeah, what is the best options, yeah, that result the cells going up again? So there will be prescriptive, telling you what to do, that gives the utmost result. So like a Waze. So there is 6 roads from Blok M to Monas. Yeah, using Sudirman and then using Patal Senayan, blah blah blah. So Sudirman, it is having traffic jam, and then the model finds the Waze and then finds that using through the Kuningan, through the Rasuna Said to Monas, that gives better timing. So there is the optimization, prescribing model that telling you what is the best to do in order to achieve your goals. So this is the 8 stages. 8 stages that improve decision making. The higher, the better the decision making you made. To the right, it improve your business value, give you the efficiency and the flexibility. So in which maturity level that you are in right now? That is the question. That is what the question that I ask you. In your current situation, in your current company, what is the level of maturity? Ashwin, what is your level of maturity? Can you hear? Are you still there?
You can hear you.
Yeah, Ashwin. Oh, okay. Ashwin is not there. What happened? She left. He left.
I think there's a trouble with his signal, pa.
Okay.
In his internet connection.
Sure. No worries. Sarah, what about you? What is your
Yes,
level of maturity?
It's growing because it's under 5 years of opening the business, so it's still up and growing, Sipa.
So,
It hasn't reached
which
the
level?
full. The level would be reports. I think it's between. It's still in the alert level, pa.
Alert level. Okay.
Yeah, because we're still analyzing which doctors is is more productive and which are not, and then which specialization is more needed, and which unit needs to be given full attention between the clinical support, like the labs, the radiology, and so it's still in the alert part.
Cool. Good. So if you want to increase your maturity, then you know what to do, isn't it? So you need to improve the statistical analysis. You need to improve the forecasting model. You need to develop predictive model. So depend on which level that you are targeting on your data analytics maturity. Right? Okay, Wiryawan, what is your level now? Which one? B? This one? Forecast. This one.
Yeah.
So your company already in the forecasting.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good. So if you want to increase your level of maturity, then you need to improve into predictive model. Yeah. So there is a gap there. What do you need to know? What do you need to have? What kind of skill do you need to enhance, equip? Okay, Rahmat, what about you? Which level are you now?
A skill business will be in predictive modeling, Pak.
No, your company.
Yeah.
Your company already in the predictive model?
Yes.
What kind of predictive model you have developed?
The still needs, Pak, because that will be depending on the demand.
So I mean, what is the existing predictive model that your company has developed?
We only have one client, right? My client is PT Freeport right now, Pak.
Okay.
So they regularly purchase the steel products.
Yes.
Like last year, for the last 2 years, like 2,000 ton, and sometimes it's like increasing to sometimes it's slowing down. So we cannot do. It will depend on their cash flow and the projects that they have.
Okay. Do you understand what is predictive model?
Not sure whether I am in forecasting or in predictive model.
Okay. So predictive model is not there yet. So in your position. So predictive mode but it is still in the forecasting, because forecasting the still then your market, what is the market consumption, so what is your share, so that is still in the forecasting model. Yeah.
Okay.
So there will be a gap if you want to go into the next maturity level for the predictive model. So you can develop when people will buy your steel. Okay. What is the volume that they are going to order you? What is the what is the purchase order volume of steel that they will ask you? So that is predictive model. So to predict who will buy from you, to predict how much volume they will buy from you, to predict when will they buy from you. Yeah. So to predict which steel maker that they will buy from you. So that is predictive model. Yeah. If you want to go there, you will need to enhance your skill, whether in SAS, whether in Python, yeah, to know more models. Okay.
Okay, Pak.
Iqbal, what about you? Your level of data analytics maturity?
It's going to be forecasting, but still in statistical analysis.
Yeah. So in business analytics, yeah. So we have the business analytics class. Do you do it with the Excel or with the statistical tools?
In business analytics?
Yes.
With Excel, Pak.
Okay, so still with Excel. Okay, so supposedly if you want to uh, go more deeper, you should use R, the open source R, to, because Excel only limited row, yeah, maybe around, and also limited column. Maximum is 17 column or something, and the row also limited. If you have big data there, then it will be impossible using R. So therefore you need to learn using R, SPSS, or Stata. Yeah, so there is a lot of tools there. But for the open source,
Dapat ClickView, Pak.
ClickView, or just like
I
Tableau.
use ClickView in my I use ClickView in my old hospital.
Yep.
And I think it's more hospital friendly for ClickView.
Yeah, but
because it
ClickView is
allows
just for like just for visualization, not for the statistical analysis. Yeah.
Mm,
ClickView is for like Tableau, Power BI, ClickView. So that is visualization. Yeah.
mm,
Okay. So because last time I developed the for some bank that to increase their data analytics maturity level. So that's why I ask, what is your current data analytics level? Then what is your target data analytics level for your team? So that's why we will equip the trainings that is required for you. We equip you with the right software, so that for that you can enhance yourself to becoming to go to the forecasting, to the predictive modeling, or for the optimization. All right, so this is an interesting uh, approach that developed by Professor Singh. Okay, and then so for today, so Professor Singh give us some task to develop the uh, SAS model, no, Tableau model, to develop the Tableau view, single view. So supposedly you all have this, yeah. You already read the assignment from not assignment, the task activity from Professor Singh. Okay, so today we are going to the Tableau Computer Workshop 3, that he asking you to develop a dashboard. Previously, you have developed the chart, yeah, a lot of charts, and then now he want you to develop a dashboard that combine all the charts. So there is a file Tableau Workshop 3 in the Moodle. Supposedly you all have it. Okay, so have you download the data for today class?
I've downloaded it, but unfortunately I'm using my phone right now, Pak.
Okay.
I didn't bring my laptop
Yeah.
to hospital.
Okay, no worries. So there is the Tableau Workshop 3 workbook data, yeah. So we need to download it. Who has download the data? Sarah, have you download? Wiryawan? Rahmat?
I can open already.
Okay, already open. Okay, good. Okay, so Wiryawan is there, having the data. Okay, good. So in today class, there is the Tableau Workshop table here, and then if you open the data, we will have these charts available already there. The top players. Okay, so let me open this. So the top players data. Okay, this is the data for the top player in the Tableau 3 web workshop. And then the player point, this is the chart. The player assists, how many assists for the NBA player has been done. And then the rebound, how many rebound did he make. Okay, so the data is there for each of the player. Yeah, the name of the player. This is the player statistics, and then last played for which club, and then the logo, and then the team and player. Okay, so in tonight class, he want us to create a dashboard. Create a dashboard. I think you have this. Okay, so not for not so as to not open and close, open and close. So I move it here so you can read it by yourself. Because you supposedly you have the PDF, yeah, for the workshop, and then we focus on the dashboard. So okay, dashboard, new dashboard. Okay, so he want us to create a new dashboard, but the dashboard is connected to each other. So I mean the chart is connected with each other. When one chart change, the other charts will follow. So that is the assignment, the the task from Professor Singh. Okay, so let's follow his activities. First is to create a dashboard. Open a Tableau from the Windows Start menu and open the Tableau Workshop 3 TWBX. So, okay, let's open the this one is the data Tableau Workshop 3. Let's open it. Do you want to save changes? No. So let's create a new one. Okay. Alright, so new dashboard. Okay, so this is the clean dashboard. Okay, no title, anything is there. And then create a new dashboard. Check the show dashboard title checkbox. Title, show dashboard title. So click the show dashboard dashboard title, and then change the dashboard title to top NBA player by point. Okay, so you want us to edit the title, change into top
Top
NBA
20 teams by points.
players
By
by
points.
points. And then as of 2019. Okay, apply. So this is the title. So we have changed the dashboard title as request. And then ensure that tile is selected under the object section. Yes, is this under the object? Drag the top player's worksheet to your dashboard. Drag the top player. This is the top player. So so we have the top player here. Okay. All right. So drag the top player worksheet to your dashboard. By default, this will occupy the whole space of the dashboard. Yes, the whole space is occupied there with this top player. And then the next step is let's say the next step is from the object section, drag a blank objects to the right of the top player worksheets. Adjust the width of the blank object so that it occupies about 75% of the space. So we have the blank here, and then move it here. So to the right of the top player worksheet. Okay, so we have the blank here, and then adjust the width. So it occupies 70% of the space. Currently it is 50%, yeah. So it is going here, and then it becoming 75% of the space for the blank space. And then the next step is drag the player statistic worksheet and place it below the blank space. Player statistic. This is player statistic and put it below. Okay, below. Okay, so the player statistic is there. Yeah. Okay. Drag the player statistic worksheet and place it below the blank space. Okay, so but to make sure that the number shows the entire, we have the entire number, click the fit here and then entire view. So we can see the whole number. Okay, this one, click fit entire view. Yeah. Okay. So the entire view is there. So this is games played too many kah? Okay, so too many. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's put it here back. Control Z. Okay. Okay. Just do it like this first, and then we conduct the entire view later. And then click on the drop down of the player status worksheet under fit, or click on the drop down of player statistic worksheet under fit, choose entire view. Excuse me. Yeah, so he has already asked us to choose entire view, yeah, entire view, so we can see them all. But this one still in the hashtag. All right, no worries. Later on we fix it. And then under the object, drag horizontal, which is a layout container, and place it underneath the player statistic worksheet to the right of the top player worksheet. Okay, horizontal then. You want us to drag horizontal underneath the player worksheet or player statistic worksheet. Okay. Okay. So we have the horizontal objects here. Yeah. Under the statistic, player statistic. Under object, drag another blank. Place it underneath the horizontal layout container. Another blank below. All right. Another blank below the. Okay. Got it. Okay. This is below another. Okay. All right. Okay. Control Z. Okay. No worries. Okay. And then, okay. The blank supposedly here below. Okay. Right. So this is the player statistic. And then the request is hide the title for player statistic. So he wants us to hide the title. Hide the title. Okay. There. We hide the title. Right click on the title and then hide the title. Okay. And then drag the following player worksheet. Drag the player point worksheet. Drag the player point and place it on the horizontal layout container. Okay. Player point, and then this is the chart, yeah. Player point, and put it on the horizontal layout container. By default, it will occupy the space, the whole space. Yes. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. okay. Okay, something like this. And then drag the player rebound worksheet and place it to the right player points worksheet. Okay, player rebound. Okay, put it on to the right. Okay, to the right. Okay, and then drag the player assist worksheet and place it in the middle. Oh, in the middle. Assist. Assist in the middle. Set. Okay. So you just drag the sheet and then put it in the dashboard, yeah? Okay. So we have the, the, the tree chart, the point, assist, and rebounds on the dashboard. And then remove all the filters that were added to the right hand side of the dashboard. Oh, he want us to remove the filters. Remove the filters. Okay. Remove the filters. This one. The filters. Okay. Okay, no worries. And then under objects, click floating. This is objects. Select floating. Okay. And add the following as floating objects. A screenshot of the expected layout is provided as well. Add a web page to the top. Leave URL as blank for now. We will add the URL action later. Drag player name to the right of the blank. Okay. Add a web page to the top as a blank for now. Okay. We give blank. This is blank. And then drag player name to the right of the blank web page. Drag player name. This is the player name. You bring it to the right. Okay. Okay, contoh mate. Okay. This one. Okay. Bring blank. This one is blank. And then bring player name. Drag player name to the right of the blank web page. Okay. Okay, this is player name. Okay. Okay, player name, and then drag player last played for and place it below the player name. Last played for the club, yeah. Okay, here. Player last played for Karim Abdul Jabbar. So okay, just give here fit entire view. So we can read the whole name. Okay, fit standard. Okay, standard then. And then drag player last played logo. Okay, logo to the right. Okay. All right. Okay. This one. Right. Karim Abdul Jabbar. Okay. This one. right. And then, okay, right, we have it all. And then, so click on the dashboard menu and then select additional action. Dashboard menu, click action, and then add action. Add action, add a URL action with the following setting. Go to URL with the following setting is the, so he want us to get the picture of the player using the URL in the website, so we can detect the picture in the website using the URL action. Name, player, image as request. And then this one is for the top player NBA only, the top 20. And then change the run action on to select. And then click for the URL using the image URL. Image URL. And then click OK. Yeah. Okay, so this is supposedly the picture will come out, yeah. Okay, and then click on the dashboard menu again. Click another dashboard menu. No. Sorry. Click on the dashboard menu. Click the action. And then add filter. So he want us to add filter so that when we click on the name of the player, all the charts will change accordingly. So if it is Karim Abdul-Jabbar, all the charts will tell us about Karim Abdul-Jabbar. So this kind of like VLOOKUP model in Excel, yeah. When you click and then the other will follow. Okay, use filter. Okay, and then select the top player. Okay, top player only as the source sheets, sebagai sheets yang menjadi source. Top player yang menjadi source. Ya, kemudian select the source, and then the target sheet will be all the dashboard tree sheets, but using that it will influence the target of all charts. Okay, when we choose the Michael Jordan, and the player assist will be shown, and then the name, the points, yeah, all the performance that Jordan did will be changed accordingly with the player. Okay, so show all value, and then all fields, target filter all fields, click OK. Okay, yeah, and then next will be test to ensure that the dashboard works correctly. Click on any player name and all player information should update accordingly. Click on the top player worksheet to select it. Click on the drop down on the top right corner under fit, choose entire view. Okay, this one. Fit, choose entire view. Okay, and then this one. Choose fit entire view. Okay, this one, choose fit entire view. Okay, so we want to see all the entire view. Entire view already there. This one already entire view. Yeah. Okay. So let's try it. Karim Abdul Jabbar. Player name. Okay, this one supposedly fit standard then. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see Julius Irvings. So the okay, so the point is there. Okay, not changing kah? Okay, don't use as a filter. Okay, this one filter, 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 filter. This one use as a filter, use as a filter, use as a filter. Yes. So if we check Gerwin, oh, that is changing now. The point is changing. This is the George Gervin performance. The point is going like this. The assist until 1975-85. The rebounds 75-85. He plays for Chicago Bulls. This is the Chicago Bulls. And there is some problem that the picture is moving here. Supposedly the picture showing in this area, yeah, but unfortunately it is showing in the website, yeah. Supposedly the picture show up here. Maybe this is because this is the 2018 still. I don't know if in Wiryawan it is 2019. Did the picture going up or not? Wiryawan?
Apa sih Pak di situ ya Pak?
Is it showing up or not? Like is it just like
Yeah, showing up.
Showing up.
No. In mine I haven't tried Pak.
Oh, you haven't tried. Okay. Supposedly.
In what, pa?
Come again, Sarah.
What was it that you asked, pa?
So if supposedly when we click on the player's name, so the picture of the player will show up in this blank blank objects. Yeah, this one.
Oh.
But in mine, it is open in the website.
And then
Yeah,
website. Oh.
because this is 2018. Supposedly in 2019, then the Professor Singh possibly using the latest one, yeah. So the picture supposedly show up in this dashboard, yeah. Okay, so basically this is the okay. Let's see whether this can fit entire view. Yeah, George Govin last and then he last played for Chicago Bulls. Okay, last played for Chicago Bulls. Okay, with the last played logo like this. So maybe you want to delete hide the title Chicago Bulls. The player name you hide the title, and last played hide the title. So it will come George Gervin, Chicago Bulls. This is the logo, and then the picture of him show up here supposedly, because you already have the dashboard and give the action to show the player image, yeah, in the blank sheet. Okay. Okay. So the critical point is on the filter. The filter is setting up that the top player drill down here as the source of seeds. So he is the source, and then the target is all charts when the top player selected, you select the top, one of the top player, and then all charts will follow to show what is the name, what is the logo, what is the last club that he played for, and then what is his statistics on his assist, rebound, and etc. Yeah. Okay, so this is the critical point in order to set up the dashboard accordingly with the source sheet. Okay. 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 Right. So this one is the statistic. So the George Gerwin has 1,900 games played with the average points per game 26, average steal per game 1, and average block per game 1. Okay, and his points is 4,000. So in 1965-85, he had around 2,600 points. The assist, 288 times assist, and rebound, he has 430 rebounds. So what about the other? Charles Barkley, Houston Rocket. Yeah. So Charles Barkley, Houston Rocket. So the logo is not there in the system. Charles Barkley, he plays for Houston Rocket, and he plays 2,000 times playing, average points, steals, and block. Yeah. Allen Iverson, is the logo there? Oh yeah, and then the Sixers, Allen Iverson. Yeah. So this is the way in developing, connecting short target to the target. Yes, Sarah?
How come I tried to put the name and the logo and the last played for, it doesn't come out? Yeah, Pak.
Okay. You share screen. Can you share screen? Okay, let me stop sharing. Stop share. Okay, Sarah, let me see your screen.
Okay. This one, and then
Not yet come.
player name, right?
Not yet. Not yet.
Drag it here.
Not yet showing.
And the logo.
Not yet showing. Did any? Okay, I got it. Okay, can see now. Okay, what is the problem?
Is it showing back?
Okay, so
Can you see my screen?
come again, Sarah.
Okay.
Yeah, player name. You can put it on the right side.
Again. Okay, wait. You can see.
Yes.
It doesn't.
Or okay, I just have it. No worries. But now it is now black again. What about the other?
It's black again.
Okay, I can see it now. Okay. Okay, good. All right. Okay, and then the player last club, last played player last played for.
Yeah, but it's like that, but it doesn't show the period.
Yeah, okay. No worries.
Yes.
No worries. And then on the on the dashboard, click dashboard.
Dashboard.
Okay, player last played logo, another logo, the last one. Yeah, the light logo.
Yeah,
Put it on the right one.
Yeah. Here, can.
Yes. Okay, rearrange again a little bit. Okay, the middle one you delete. You the middle one.
This one?
The logo.
This one.
Yeah. Just click. No. Click the logo.
The logo?
Yeah, the click.
Logo.
Click X.
Okay.
X.
Click X.
Okay, you got it.
Okay.
Okay. Why is it?
Nggak muncul, Pak.
No. Nah, so the last plate, the club name, you click there, you click X. So yeah,
I click
the
X.
X1. The X1, yes.
Here. X.
Above again, above.
This one also?
Yeah, that one. X. The corner up, corner one.
Here, this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
But it's like this.
No. The plate, the logo, you put it to the top right,
To the top right.
to the
Yeah.
okay. The lower one you arrange to above.
Oh.
You rearrange again.
Jadi harus di arrange ya, Pak ya?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try it again. Yeah.
And then click the dashboard. Dashboard menu.
Dashboard. Dashboard. This one?
Click action.
Action.
And then add action. Click filter. And then the source sheet, we want to use the top layer, yeah. So you uncheck all for the source sheet and only check the top layer.
Okay.
Okay, top layer is there, and click select.
Click select.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the target will be all. So all will be influenced by the top layer click, yeah. And then show all value, click OK. Okay. All right. And then try to click the George Gervin. No. The George Gervin, the lowest one, number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2 from the bottom.
George Gervin.
Yeah. Click him. So there. So all the
it changes.
It changes. So when you put the doctor's name, Dr.
Yeah.
Sarah. So what is his how many patients that he has? What is the complaint? How many complaint that he get? What is the picture there? So you can select the person and then see his performance. So this is all because you have the master data. Master data is the same. All chart is developed there based on the master data, and then you combine all the charts into your dashboard. So when you select one chart as your source sheets, and then all other charts will depend on your selection on those source sheet. Yeah. So when you select different doctor, different result will come up. Yeah. So this is the way we do Tableau to deep dive into each person, each player, each doctor. Yeah, we want to know what is his statistics, his patients, complaints, how many casualties that he made under his hand. Yeah, sometimes the customer patient died in his operating room. Yeah, so how many times he get casualties in the operating theater. So basically we can do that for all customer. So far so good? Kapish?
Pronto, Pak.
Okay, good job, Sarah. Okay, so let's say, let me share screen again. So what about you, Wiryawan? Have you complete all the task?
Tinggalan Pak, nanti saya coba lihat dari video.
Okay. So Iqbal is not in having the Tableau. Aswin, have you got the dashboard ready?
Nanti I'll rewatch the video kalau udah half done sih.
Oh, okay. And then Rahmat, what about you? Have you create the dashboard?
Apa ketinggalan? Saya observasi aja saat ini, Pak.
So this is basically, especially for Aswin in HSBC, get your master data. Develop your own dashboard. That will be your way on seeing the problem. Yeah. So what is the current performance? Create your own. And when it comes to the position that you need to present, what is the current situation of your department? Show it to the audience. Show it to the higher level management.
Iya Pak, it will be useful sih kelihatan.
Yes, very useful. So basically, what keeps you awake at night? Create the dashboard. So when the data change, you just need to add the data, like the Excel. So you add the data, you add more row, and then the dashboard change. Yeah, add more months, the dashboard change. Yeah. Sarah in the hospital, you need to create the dashboard to see what is happening there. What is happening? Which doctor create the most casualties? So check it with your own dashboard. Get the data from the IT. Create your own dashboard. If there is some person that is okay, or you can hire some staff to create it for you. Yeah. Basically, using the sync position here, this is to give you alerts. Yeah? This is the alert situation. How did you get the alert? From your Tableau. So from your Tableau, you get the alert. How to get to know that? By seeing this. Okay, it is going down the sales. Oh, it is going down the patients. It's going down. So you get the alert from Tableau. So far so good? Capish? Okay. Right. Any questions, guys? Questions? No questions?
I have a question,
Yes.
Pak. Just wondering, when making the data source of the master data, that means when putting in the Tableau, for each category, there's always a different tab, ya, Pak. Like here, player points, player assists, player rebounds, it's all in different tabs, ya, Pak.
Okay, so this is not the data.
From
This is not the data.
data source.
This is not the data. This is the chart that you develop.
Oh,
This is
okay.
the chart. You create a chart. You bring there, the column, Okay, you have chart here. You have chart there. You have chart profile, prior rebound. You have the chart. The data is here. The data source.
And the data source.
This is the data source.
Oh yeah. Last time when I tried to put it in, because the first row in the Excel was not having a label, and when I put it inside the Tableau, the label ID, first name, last name, position, first season, itu nggak ada, Pak. Itu harus in the first row ya, Pak.
Yeah.
Nggak boleh ada
So basically,
in the Excel-nya
when
ya,
you
Pak.
import the data,
Uh-huh.
there will be notification that you put first column as label.
Oh, okay. Because the data that I put, the label started from the third row.
Yeah, so you change the third row to the first row. So put the first row as a label.
First row, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the data.
Yeah.
The player ID, the first name, the last name, the position, the first season, yeah. So this is the
Yeah.
HSBC data, yeah. So basically, make sure no missing data, and then no merged data. All sheets, all cell must be input, yeah. No merging, yeah. All there is, let's say Chicago Bulls, and then you merge 5 cells. Chicago Bulls cannot. You must put Chicago, 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 Chicago. You cannot. Okay, this is the Chicago. No, that is aggregate data. This is not aggregate data. This is the lowest level data. Yeah, the fact data. Rasa? It is Korean, yeah. Okay, so any other questions? Good question, Sarah.
And can we export it, the chart that we made earlier and tadi tuh Pak, for that, like the graphs and things like that. Can we export that to PowerPoint?
Of course, you can. You can export. Okay, this one is the dashboard. File. Export. Export as version. Okay, in Iqbal, the 2019. Supposedly you all using the 2019. There is export to PowerPoint then.
Export to PowerPoint. Export as PowerPoint. Ada Pak.
Yes. That is it.
We click on that.
Yeah,
Oh.
so it will go to the PowerPoint directly, creating the PowerPoint. All right.
Yes, Pak.
Okay, good question. Another questions? So basically, Wiryawan, how many marketing you have there? What is his performance? Create your master data. So this is the MBA for data science. Yeah. Create your master data, play with them, create your own dashboard, update monthly. So at least monthly performance, you have that on hand. So you can open it and share it in your Zoom meeting and telling this is our dashboard performance. Yeah. And then when you click here, you click there, people will notice, okay, this is my performance. So that will be eye-catching, very eye-catching, especially when you dealing with high-level management. And when they ask you what is the problem with this unit, you can open your Tableau and go deep into the problem. Capish? Okay, any other questions? Nope. All right.